Day 12, we're all here today, so Emmy's jumped on Cedar, I'm jumped on fence, and John's he's putting coat of paint on inside. So if you come over, I'll show you what she's done. So we did the corners yesterday, we carried on with the Cedar. She's put the Cedar reveals on. That ties the window in, and then she'll drop an architrave around there as well. Can you see that properly, yeah? Okay. She stopped there for a reason, because I've not brought enough Cedar, so we're going to carry on with that tomorrow. Round there on the front, she's putting it in. So you can see she's putting the top reveal in there. So what basically is happening with that, she's put a piece of Cedar in, she's ripped it down to the right length, and then she's fixed it through up into the head there as well. She'll do the same with the sides and then drop the architrave on there as well. Do you want to jump in here, Adam? John's in here. He's put a mist coat on, which is basically water and emulsion mixed through. That's your first coat on fresh plaster, and he's going the second coat on the ceiling now. Bit of a mess in here at the moment, but tomorrow we'll have alt laminate down and skirting boards on as well. And I'll show you what me and Adam are doing round back. We are putting his feather edge fence on. It's a bit different to traditional fence. What customer wants, he wants it flush through like that, rather than what we normally do is put them rails on the front. But he wants it sort of like as tight as possible. So what we're going to do then is just feather edge the full way down there. You can see there, bit of a dog leg in this fence as well. So this kind of method will work well as well. Okay, so it's a feather edge fence. What we're doing, we've got a 90mm spacer block. And tapping it across there, and then off we go. We'll do that every 10 boards, and then we'll put level on it to make sure that it's still level. Because obviously they're rough sawn boards, so they're not all like dead same size. Also, what we're going to do as well, we're going to ping a line across it and cut obviously tops off. It's just a bit of a faster way of doing it for ourselves, much to probably the shock of the neighbours at the moment. They'll be looking out the window thinking, oh my god. Well, when it's done, it'll look mint. They're done.
I'll push it back. Yeah.
Alright, I don't know what to do. So what we're doing now, we've just pinged the line on, we put this straight edge, we're using it as a guide foot saw, and I'm just going to go along and cut the top off, so it's not level, it's just running 1.9 to 1.9 each end on lay at land. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of a tool talk, a little demonstration and a review. First up is Paslode IM 350 Plus. It's a solid gun, it's been out years, hasn't it? It's quite fast. Feels good in your hand, it's nice and light. Downside to it, it's gas. They do clog up quite a bit, sometimes they need cleaning out, and come winter time the gas can freeze, but bonus side to it is it's light, it feels good in your hand, it's very reliable. I'll just show you that hook on there and off, we're hanging over a joist. It retails at about 516 quid with 2 of these little batteries. It's got a nice little feature there that you can lock the battery in, but it isn't actually in. And then sun it on, and then it's powered up and ready to go. Next tip is the Hakoki. It's getting quite good reviews. Again, doesn't feel too bad in your hand, although it's very, very heavy. It's got the joist hook. I don't know why they've gone for such a big one, but I guess it's for some decision. Again, is this on bump, this one, John?
Yeah.
This is on bump, it's fast. Just hold end of that, Adam, that's what wood don't bounce too much. You can hear the ramp up. It's faster than the Paslode because that hasn't got a bump feature on it. That one has, but it's not that fast. And then there's this one. How much is that one, John? 500 and?
500 with 2 5-amp batteries.
500 with 2 5-amp batteries. And then there's this one. It's pretty much new out. It's got brilliant reviews everywhere you go. Milwaukee, it's about 600 I think I paid 670 quid, 2 5-amp batteries on it as well. We put it onto bump feature there, so I just want to show you actually how quick it is. Right, you ready, Adam?
Yeah.
There you go, it's run out of nails. It's not fired 2 in, but the majority, they're all in, they're all sunk. It's fast, but it is ridiculously heavy. It's the heaviest out of the 3. It's also got the hook on as well, but it seems to have opted out on their design there and gone for a cheap little crappy bit of metal, which is quite sharp and going to hurt you. But there you go. So that one there, 670 quid. Really heavy, heaviest out of all of them, but the fastest. Next, this one, a corky, not quite as heavy as that. Again, getting good reviews, not quite as fast though. And then there's the old favourite, the Paslord. Although this come winter time, the gas is going to start to freeze up on that. So, opinions. That one, I've got 2 of them. I'll always have them. I'm not interested in buying one of them, John, I'm afraid. This one, I guess used to the weight of it. You can actually buy an extended magazine, so it'll take 2 racks of nails. But it is a beast. But let themselves down there. So that's it. That's your 5-minute review on 3 different types of first fix nail guns. Right. Right, day 12, we're done on the Cedar on the front. Amy's finished off there. You can see she's done the Cedar reveals, Cedar architraves. We don't miter the architraves because they'll only open. So that's the best way of doing them, we find. The columns are done. This full side is oiled and done. Follow me around here. We've put in this feather edge fence. That's been now levelled off and trimmed. See that? Full length at building. There's a dog leg in it there because he's got 2 gardens meeting towards each other. We're cladding the back in some metal roofing sheeting as well. I'm just struggling to get hold of that at the moment. That'll be an outside light there as well. We'll have an outside socket here as well. We've seeded round this window as well. So we've only got another 20 lengths of cedar and then that's all the cedar complete. Again, she's done the Cedar reveals there. Cedar architraves, notched over like that. We don't miter them, we just spot them like that because when they open up they'll look absolutely perfect just like that. There's a little bead to run along the top there as well. So that's it, day 12. Oh, inside, John he's had 2 coats on the ceiling now. That's looking pretty good, is that now? And there's like a mossy grey colour going on the walls. So tomorrow we're going to clear all this out, get the cedar gone, get all the rubbish out. We'll get this laminate floor fit down as well. And we'll get some skirting boards and architraves on, and that'll be practically complete then. And tomorrow we're also going to get this turf up and prepare for the base, which is going to have, what the hell is it having? Composite decking, 2 metres wide, 5 metres long. Alright, so if you'd like to like, subscribe and follow, that'd be wonderful, and thanks for all your support and your kind words as well. And don't forget, at the end of it, if you want some plans to build your own, they're available on my website at www.oakwoodgardenrooms.com, and there'll be a link to the free base system that I'm going to give away at Christmas. Thank you.